So here I am, whilst visiting Thailand in a shopping mall. This is a screen protector made out of film, which unfortunately may not be available in your country for probably political reasons, but I'm going to take a gamble. They claim it is much stronger, and AI seems to confirm it, than the Samsung film. No fingerprints, you can get matte or gloss, and as you can see, very, very strong. It works on all phones, and what else to claim about it? They do complete body wraps, I'll show you that in a minute, but in the meantime, I've given them my S25, and I'll just go over here. It goes into this machine where they have over, I think, 1,000 different models of phones. Hammer, watch this. Okay, watch this, I borrow this. Okay, and you ready? One. Oh, he just told me I've got to do that in 3 days, but I'm not going to do it, to be honest. Not unless someone wants to sponsor me for a new phone. Okay, fantastic. Okay, and she just showed me this in English. Okay, lovely. This is my phone after 4 months with the same screen protector. This is the S25 Ultra. Not a mark on it, not a scratch, nothing whatsoever. And it works flawlessly. That's why I thought I'd do the video. Hope you enjoyed it. Now, just to show that it's a working phone, turn it on, otherwise people think it's not real. Okay, that's a real one, okay. Right, so, okay, there you go. Yep. Not a bad demo, and that's a film protector. They offer it in shiny or matte. That's clear, and that's the matte one. I've had mine about 3-4 months, and I'll show you photographs out after. Doesn't leave any S Pen marks, no fingerprints. It's fantastic. Now, there are a few negatives, like it's not available in most of the world, and it was first invented, I believe, by 3M for military purposes. And you can't buy it as per se, you've got to get it installed. So there's a process that you can see here, using the Stanley something, phone being cleaned. When I edit this, I'll speed up the appropriate parts, but I don't want to miss any of it out. But I am very impressed with my one 3-4 months. And I had a dilemma of whether or not I should release this video, because it's frustrating watching something that you can't get. Now, I'm not sure if it's a franchise or not, and it may not make sense, economic sense. I'm filming this, my friend's getting it done, based in Thailand, and it's a phenomenal product, I must say, for film. Now, it probably won't give you the heavy protection if you drop it, but when you consider, you just saw the demo, it's a real spanner, just to show you that. And, okay, this is, oh, here it is. That's the name of the company, called Rono Skins. And as you can see, that looks like Russian to me, the writing, so won't get into any politics here, but that's what it looks like when it's finished. Little demo there, and some of their claims are as follows. Here it is. Professionally installed phone, tablet, you see all that stuff. And obviously it works for actually Apple phones, every phone there is. Scratch protection. It does scratch the phone. If I use the S Pen all day, say, or a few hours, they will leave scratches, but a few hours later they're completely gone. And after 4 months it's great. And they give you a year's guarantee as well if it gets severely scratched or damaged. Okay, so we're coming along here. Oh, she's already made it, and she's installed it already. Oh, okay. So that was installed. It looks like there used to be a screen protector still there, which you can get from Amazon, which looks similar. And it was based, you had to use water to put it on. I remember that. I did try that a few years ago. It was okay, nothing special though. Okay. And you get 5-year guarantee, right? 5 year. She's smiling at it. 1 year.
2 shakes for free.
You never know.
2 times shake for free, she said.
2 times.
2 times shake for free in 1 year.
Okay.
If it's like any damage,
Any damage? Scratches?
scratch or buckle.
Okay. So even if you drop the phone, will it give you protection?
ใช่ไหมเขาถามว่าถ้าทำตกมันก็ไม่แตกถูกไหม
ใช่ค่ะเพราะว่าตัวนี้มันกันกระแทกได้90
Yeah, it's protection, 90% protection
ว่า
for break, for
90%
breaking.
ถ้าใครไปทำแบบว่าตกอะไรเงี้ยค่ะมันจะแตกได้
Only at the corner if it's broken.
Ah,
corner
okay.
not there.
So that's the end result. Look at that.
เพราะว่าของ
Wow, looks very good. Wow. The phone probably doesn't turn on now, but that's a separate thing. I'm only joking. No, lovely. And you've got the little area there, so the front camera is not affected, which is also nice. And in this case, another a border. Do you have a case for this? That one. Is that your case? Yeah, so okay, on that goes.
ใส่กลับอย่างนี้
Actually, is it okay to put the case on straight away?
น้องใส่
Yeah, let her do it. That way, if it goes wrong, you get a free replacement.
ตัวไม่แตกไม่หายแล้วอันมีแค่เพียง
And also the other advantage, you do not feel any sharp corners as you move in from left to right. Very nice. And let me also show people this. I'll do that a few times. No fingerprints. Look at that. No fingerprints at all. Lovely.
ทายติด
Brilliant. Thanks everyone. Thank you. Give a thumbs up. Come on, give a wave. Tell people to subscribe. Say subscribe.
subscribe like share
Yeah, very good.